When G&W came to me with the autism hiring initiative, I was very excited. That was my first response. I was very looking forward to working with the Autism Workforce, see their training methodologies, and collaborate.
My reaction was I was excited, I was concerned, I was kind of worried about how we was going to blend them in and how to keep them safe. The impact they had on the G&W business, because of the repetitive work and the nature of the autistic workforce, our increase in production has been about a 20%. And by me bringing them in, where I normally use multiple people, now I'm beginning to use them and they can fill the gaps and we still make all our production numbers.
An important key in our success when it came to hiring people with autism was the support that we had from the beginning from the Autism Workforce. The people that had been in constant communication with us since the beginning, Keith and Ben, had been throughout the entire program a backbone. The way they help us establish like a work cell. It was something that we have to change completely. We have to look at how the work flow was going to be more efficient. And they give us different perspectives that help us plan an area that help our neurodiversity team not just learn the new task, but also complete them in a timely manner, in a reliable way, and providing quality across the way.